Hello world, I'm Daniel and I'm helping all of us here, the humanity, the peoples, the nature, the earth, and all life is here, and many else. And we start and want to help with health, with natural, without any chemicals or other substance or anything else, natural foods. And with that, the real foods and meals we must eat as human. Not the fruits and vegetables and foods, for especially foods in the supermarket. You don't need it, it only will kill you. So stop eating this bullshit and eating the real things we always eat it. Like, for example, see how elephants or gorillas eating, and they are 6,000 kilograms weight, or have the Godzilla 80 centimeter arms, biceps. So why do we eat this food in the supermarket when it gives much more better and healthier and so much better things we can eat and benefit our health, our body, our mind and our spirit. So health, foods, health and many much more ideas is only like two I throw in the ball here, the ideas that I have, and also very good projects I'm starting. We're starting in Africa. Why? Because Africa is the most rich resourcefulness, not only from fruits and vegetables, also what we don't explore yet, and also like for free energy. This is also an area we will go. This is the beginning area. It's I have, and we have so much more ideas how we can help all life is here, the earth, the nature as well. And when we help with the, for example, with the health and foods, we don't only help our us like peoples and humanity, we also how we wanted to help the nature as well, to help the nature as well, the world completely. So this is my and our mission, and we need every people, every person here on the world to change and help not only us humanity, also the nature and the earth and all other life is here. They all live here, and we need all respect each other, respect with other persons, and respect with every animal, with every life, with the nature, with the earth. Theirs begin and their ends. So I hope you will join us, and I'm really want to help all of us here on the earth and any earth. Thank you.